Leaders of the Northeastern Hill University Teachers Association, accompanied by representatives of the Northeastern Hills University Students' Union, on the 12th of January 2026, called on Education Minister Lakman Rimbui to apprise him of the continuing administrative impasse at the Northeastern Hills University, Shillong. Addressing the media, the Nehu Teachers Association President Professor Lakhon Kumar alleged that the Vice Chancellor of Nehu, Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla, has continued to draw his salary despite reportedly remaining absent from the university for more than 400 days. He further stated that the prolonged absence of key administrative leadership has adversely affected day-to-day functioning of the institution. Professor Lakhon Kumar pointed out that under the provisions of the Nehu statutes, the Pro-Vice Chancellor of the Nehu Tura campus is mandated to assume the responsibilities of Vice Chancellor in the latter's absence. However, he claimed that this statutory arrangement has not been implemented, resulting in administrative uncertainty. In response, Education Minister Lakman Rimbui assured that the matter would be examined with due seriousness and that appropriate action would be initiated.
Nehusu, KSU Nehu unit, Nehusa, Nehu non-teaching staff, Nehu Teachers Association. Yang wat kedua yo Minister of Education, Lakman Rimbui. Ban penpau ka jing bangi lab mentah hapo Nehu namar hapo Nehu ngimdon VC, ngimdon provisi, ngimdon registrar, ngimdon finance officer, tamud mentah ngiladon ngimdon kri hapo Nehu. Tamud jai hente po university ngimtip menoban bakli. Ban pesngo ya kata ngiwan ni ba in shimkha ya kene kam khamtam bangi ladon kam acting VC hapo ka campus. Ladam de acting VC ru PVC tura hapan sini hapo ka campus ban tre ka kam jong VC namar kat kum ka statute jongi kaum belada don VC upro VC lene ka pro VC de ban tre ya ka kam jong VC ndeng kum bangilai i family marak di pro VC jong ka tura campus impen pau ka jing sngo kwa jong iban wan hang ni hapo headquarter ban tre ya ka kam jong VC kata ka wara jing ini namar ka statute ko ambel lada don VC pro VC beden tre kam ya ka kam de ban tre ya ka kam VC tamu lada isim kumbalong provisi mai imla berkentat yang ini kam kum provisi hapo ka headquarter namai hap sei ka kam jemu VC nomor VC undang hapo station la south spa arpo arsni tek mi kwa e kata ban pusno hawat kawan kam kongsan e bangi pusno ba ideban simkhya ya kene ka kam hapo ni hu nomor Filai nado tigi nado usne marja alpusa November bodan jing ya ki kena jing ya shat ngan nang taka jing huri rapon nihu hado mentayo shukla ki patweng hakjo kapor ka inquiry committee ka report ru ka ngi pada penpena ki haki pajba ngimtip ka outcome jang kata ka inquiry committee ya kata ru ngila kerpa di minister ba lada kalong in shimkha ba ka Ministry of Education Government of India ban pelait no ya kata ka report pengintip kai kadang kata ka report bar haju ka por ban weng sendan yo Profesor P Shukla kumu VC jangkan Nehu namar mentale la south part ni dan hapo headquarter dan hapo ka pot usam jangkan Meghalaya tangba udang sim tulap thik pathik ka penpau ba kadai ka jing persep ya ka pisa jang di paiba namar ka kam jamu trehi gi PVC hapo Shillong shoba un resign but PVC tura Rai isim ba ya katulop kumu VC klamda dan hapo ka pot usam jang Meghalaya ngimte bale ka ministry ka sangap jar lese kam kwa ban shim action lene kam kwa ban wengi ngimte ka ga daw rai ni kum ki no hikai kum ki non teaching staff kum ki student kum ki non functional jang ne ka jala jang ni shim khya wa ya kane ba hapo Nehu headquarter ngimdon khle dan uway ubriu ban shim ya kan no rai khamtam bay de barki fellowship bay de barki project bay de barki proposal jungi ban bo abade barki medical leave ban declare ki result ter ki kam de ban leman kasni ban le ya kata ka kam ne hita ki kam dan khle hapo Nehu namar PVC Shillong ke basula resign nangta shwaban resign klam thung registrar tamu ngimdon registrar ngimdon finance officer shudan bay way DR bapet lang ya kata ka finance department company ka jing nadong shadong na pipet ka jing jung student ki jing jung ki no hikai ba ki non teaching staff Kelapa ista kam tamba kini ki pol yang iba ki non teaching staff jungi ki pada casual dan ki contractual. Na hadla hadat ring mata ki pada tulap jung punai Disember. Balai namar undan beri hangtai ban proses ya kabil jongki. Undan beri ban approve ya kata kapisa ban sil tulap eki. Undi tang kata lesen ngimtip hiru ba don pisa nem don pisa ban sil tulap eki. Kata rung ngimtip namar undan kli apa Nehu. Kapan iba kadang up ka jing ka bakraw yang ihabo ka Nehu ngimtip lese nang ni syakmat yung mi kijing huri hura mi kijing yakhi namar khantam lagi non teaching staff ki bala trish tam professional la kim yo tulo ngimtip lese kin sange terekam la ki sange terekam kaniat kumnu ki department jungi namar hakibun ki department ki batre de gitu ki tre ki de contractual dan ki de ki bala ka outsource agency lada kim yo tulop lese kim mantri kam lada mantri kam ngatai kala ambela kala kan Nehu kan sedko be kanum la punya syakmat alor ngila ban lupa ka jing bakrau wan sekini jing lada ki staff kim don mantri ngamtip mono mantri pan puntip mo nomor provisi ula resign nado khasan tarik Disember kuma pitem nado to kasi hado manta kasi khar mantri shu tegila khenbe bola resign ula ye ka kam ka jing ka daw bau resign nga thaki bon ka banding kung bangi sutho ka jing tuklar le seno shukla namar pi haba pabasha thung i kum PBC kadon kata ka jing sngo ba untre kum u acting BC hapo ka campus tangba iman nado ba sha thung hado ka klimat ba ula resign no iman ula sngo jinjar mentre kam namar kabun ki jing tuklar sakoi ka imat naladir umpa paniating khot han bat musyukla lan bar ka ministry usno sok le se ban resign ngipte Nre di ba ine bet pada kumu provisi ile ka kam kat kum ka statute ngatrai undon e ban wet ki tangba ila rahi ban resign le se ila smo pelat kata ka kam PVC nama ba pihak ti ko bar ka ministry pihak ti ko bar syukla le se ismo sok ban e ka kam ban mersim ya kane shimkha ya kane kam ngatrai ka jing smo jumi na kalian association de bai ismo sok ban resign ban shim ya kane ka kam ka bakhya